Alright, you guys, so here's a bird's eye view of the Jordan Jumpman Pro. I've been waiting to get my hands on these for quite some time. Very nostalgic to the old days of Team Jordans and waiting for the 12s to drop, the 13s, and all that good stuff. I also remember seeing these on the Wayans Brothers, the Jamie Foxx show, 90s shit. The leather is nothing to write home about. The new buck, nothing to write home about. But I like the fact that the Concord kind of flips between purple and blue, depending on the type of sunlight. So I would rate these a 9 out of 10. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. I think these definitely need to get broken in, and everything else will be good. Alright, you guys. Peace.